Hi guys, welcome to Angie in Real Life, and I am going to share with you my experience of my first Yoni steam, also known as a veggie steam. This is a custom made chair that my husband and myself put together. After watching a few different YouTube videos, we've decided to come up with our own little Yoni steam chair. So what we have here underneath, it's a wooden bar stool, and then we have a basket, we have a burner, and then I used one of the pots that will now be a Yoni steaming pot. We won't use it again. I rarely use it anyway, but this is my setup. And inside you see we have the herbs. We have the herbs in there, and it's getting warm. I have a gallon of water in here and a cup of herbs that were made based on my symptoms and my issues. I purchased my herbs from your Ford Herbal and Apothecary located here in Milford, Delaware. And as you can see, it's customized to air Yoni steam. So each and every time that I need to put an order for my Yoni steam, it is custom made, and they already have all the ingredients. So what's inside of here is 3 ounces of wound wellness, 1 ounce of lavender, 1 ounce of chamomile, 1 ounce of calendula, 2 ounces of wild yam root, and 1 ounce of rosemary. The website at the bottom there is www.delawareapothecary.com. Again, the herbs are steeping, and I am getting ready to take me a shower. I have my favorite candle burning, which is my stress reliever by Bath and Body Works. Love, 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 love. Stress reliever. I'm going to burn this. I'm going to play some good meditation music. And the reason that I decided to do the steam is because I suffer from several conditions. Heavy cycles, cloudy, debilitating my cycle. Once the steam is over, I'll come back and I'll get into more detail with you about what each herb is for and the purpose of the Yoni steam. So guys, there you go. I'll be back. Okay guys, what I have done is it wasn't steaming enough for me, so I put it on top of the stove. So what you see here is a little bit more detail of the DIY Yoni steam that I made at home. I have a Bunsen burner, which you see is kind of hot. I have a the rack that's holding the burner is actually a Schaefflin dish. I'll break the parts down a little bit more when we talk about the benefits of it. And I have a wicker basket, and of course, you guys seen I have the bar stool with a hole in it. I also have a cushion. The same cushion that I used to shape the hole is what I'll be sitting on. It's kind of like a donut. You know those donuts they give you? And my mommy gave me that, so I'm excited about this process. I'm gonna go and check. All right, guys. Here is my water. And it wasn't getting hot fast enough for me. So I decided to put it on top of the stove. And look at that good old steam. Good old steam. I want to bring it to a nice fast boil. And then I'll take it off. I'll turn it off for about 3 minutes. And then I'll go put it back on the burner. Alright guys. Alright guys. I am turning it off. It has gotten to a rumble boil like I wanted. So look at those herbs. So I'm going to turn it off for about 5 minutes, and then we're going in. There it is, guys. Nice and steamy. My cushion is on. Got my tea. And check out my cup that I made. Be proud of who you are. That was the Yoni peach detox tea tag. So I decided to make a cup for me to enjoy while I am steaming. There it is. Alright guys, we're going in. There's enough steam there. If it cools off, I would turn on the heat. Okay guys, the steam is on, and I got my music, I got my tea, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I have officially steamed for an hour. I feel hot and steamy. I feel relaxed. I listened to Dr. Cindy Trim's The Power of Prayer. It was a 57-minute meditation. The steam is still going, but I am officially done. I look forward to the conversation of sharing with you guys how I feel now that my steam is over. My steam is over. All right, guys. I'll chat with you later. And I made sure I finished my tea, guys. I finished my tea. Look at that. Be proud of who you are. Drink it all. Peach detox tea. Make sure you drink it all. All of it, all of it, all of it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's over now. I feel like I can make it. My steam is over now. See you guys later. Angie in real life. Angie in real life with one L. I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher.